Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have a Kia key which has got battery out of the charge, so we're gonna use a lithium battery number 1620. It's battery like this. I'll show you how to open the key and change the battery. There is a little screw in there which you will need to unscrew. It's just a cross screwdriver. And the key, once you unscrew the little tiny screw, the key will fall in half. You have to take out this little fob inside. There are little clips like that there. So you just poke it with your nail or with something not too sharp that you don't damage it. It will nicely split. Do it slowly with the patient. Yeah, with the battery right there. So let's just get it out. And we put the new battery inside. Just pop it like that there. Take your bit, make sure all the bits are clean here. You pop the battery back and you just poke this back on. And we're back working. So what you do, what I found out the easiest way, to just pop it here and then pop this another bit. There is like a little thing here to make sure that you hit it in the right hole, and it needs to be a bit wiggled there inside. So pop it in. You just close it. Get it there. We take this little tiny screw which we screw back inside here. And job done. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, like and subscribe.